Today we're going to do Nicole Kidman, and the time period is approximately 1990. So to begin with, I'm going to use the Chanel CC cream. She's very, in this photo, in my inspiration photo, she's very fair. So I'm going to go in that direction. I would describe her skin as peaches and cream. Sandy requested this look, and she said she wanted me to do a look from the time period when she was with Tom Cruise. I think I have a picture from that time period. That is going to be my primer. Now for the eyes. For the eyes, I'm going to use the concealer by Milk. It's the Flex Concealer. And I'm going to use my multitasker concealer brush to smooth that out. And since it's a concealer, I'm going to go ahead and take it under my eyes. Go ahead and start on that, brightening my under eye. I was lucky for this look. I don't have red hair, but I do have curly hair. So I got that working for me. I appreciate all of you participating in the Guess the 1980s Celebrity. Now I have a nice clean canvas to work on. I'm going to use the eyeshadow. It's NARS Fez. It looks like that. I'm going to put this out here on the outside corner. I'm going to take this one, I applied it with the Anastasia Beverly Hills. It came in a palette. Now I'm just going to take a fluffy brush and smoke it out really good. Like that. So this color is NARS Fez. It's a single. I found when I was looking to make sure that I didn't use anything discontinued. That'll be my theme in this video, is to not use anything that is discontinued. Let's see if we can do it. And then for my lid, I'm going to use Virgin Gorda, also by NARS. And I'm sweeping it on with a medium sweeper. It's the E54. For her liner, I'm going to use Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in the color Bourbon. And I'm going to stay in really close to the lash line. Hopefully I'm dotting it in between the lashes. I'm going to take a Q-tip and soften that in the front. I'm wiggling it in between the lashes. And she doesn't have it winged or anything. She does have a little bit here on her bottom lash line on the outer third. So I'm going to wiggle it in those lashes, and this is Urban Decay Bourbon. They met on the set, Tom Cruise and Nicole Kidman met on the set of that race car movie, Thunder or something. I don't think I've seen it. I should watch it. I like her. Well, I say I do. I don't like her raunchy stuff. She's done some raunchy stuff, right? All right, I'm going to soften that with the Q-tip also, of course. I like to do I like to do the same thing on both sides. I cannot see her eyelashes are very faint in this. So I'm assuming she does not have black mascara on. So I'm going to use the brown Grandiose. And I'm not going to pile it on. Ah! Oh well, we have to let that dry. We'll leave it there until it dries. And we'll be patient. And she only has a little bit down here on the, I think on the, just on the outer corner. She may have it all the way across. Just itty bit though. My eyelashes are sticking together. They're being silly. So I'm going to comb them. Did I already say I appreciated y'all participating? Yeah, I did. In the 1980s look. Guessing who I did. So I washed and dried my Charleston Makeup Artist tea. And I dried it on hot heat to see if I could shrink it. Because I have on a small, but it's not small enough for me. I wanted to see if I could make it fit better. And I think it fits a little better. I would prefer that the sleeves be rolled up. I think that would give it more style. Yeah, I like that. I'm liking that. I'll show you the whole outfit after we finish our Nicole Kidman look. So yeah, I washed it just on regular cycle. I guess it's warm water. But I washed it inside out so that if it faded, it would fade on itself, hopefully. And I washed it with black towels. I have black towels in my bathroom. Oh, Nike. This Grandiose crook neck thing, crook neck mascara it's hard to help me. It's hard to help me when I've had too much coffee, even with the crook neck mascara wand. I'll bring y'all in a little bit closer so you can see what I've done so far. I know. Yeah, bring us in now that you're finished. There goes the pussycat, the neighborhood pussycat. I guess he used my pine straw as a litter box. Now I'm going to use some Charlotte. Now I'm going to use some Charlotte Tilbury Magic Foundation. Fond de teinte. And my color I'm making use of my stuff that's too light now. This color is 3 Fair. And I have a damp beauty blender. And I washed it real good before this video. Not because of sanitation reasons, but because I didn't want to dirty the look, you know what I'm saying? Between the Chanel CC cream and the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Foundation, hopefully I'll create the illusion of peaches and cream. It'll completely ruin it when you see my neck and chest, right? I think I've gotten so dark now I'm gonna have to start wearing sunblock or sunscreen, a physical sunscreen, just so that I don't get any darker. Now I need some, see if she's bright under her eyes. She is bright under her eyes. So I'm gonna do that. And I'm going to use my Sigma F64. This is more about the highlighting than concealing anything. The blush that I'm going to use today is the Dolce Vita. She has on a neutral blush. It's neither peachy nor pinky. So I think this is perfect. And she's kind of got it, just a veil of it, like that. She doesn't look like she has any of it on her nose or anything like that. So I'm just going to go leave it at that. All right, for her lip, I'm going to use the color Amulet from Urban Decay. And this is a liquid lipstick from Urban Decay. Also, I was just reading about her a little bit more. I think she has a nude liner on her waterline. And I found out that her favorite perfume is the Thierry Mugler Angel. So I have some of that on. And if you want an affordable version, if you're not sure whether you will like it or not, try some of the hair fragrance. It's always much less expensive. This is Parfum en Brume pour les cheveux. Perfuming hair mist. So, and I always spray it on the back here on my neck where I heat up the most. Okay, this is a nude pencil from Makeup Geek, and the color is Nude. All right, she has a little bit of highlight in her on her bottom lip, and I'm going to use some Sweet Mouth by Fenty. So there you go. So my outfit today is my Charleston Makeup Artist t-shirt. I'm wearing a small, and like I told you earlier, I washed it and dried it real good today to try to get it to shrink a little bit. I needed an extra small, but they didn't have extra small. These are Mother camo shorts. They have patch pockets on the back. They have a raw hem. They have fatigue cut pockets. And these are a 26 if you're trying to gauge what size. And then I have my Marc Jacobs sneakers on. And these are available on the Nordstrom site now. These are the Marc Jacobs sneakers. They have double laces. This is the way the bottoms look. They're very comfortable. I'm wearing them without socks and they don't rub. And they have an iridescent emblem on the side of them.